In my previous video, I answered some of the frequently asked questions about the UDF parallel model. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a typical project finance model and show you how difficult things can become if you're dealing with a model containing multiple copy and paste code. First of all, I'm working with a standard model which is in compliance with the fundamental rules of financial modeling. I have the following circular references in this model. Circular reference in sources and uses of funds during construction, circular reference in taxes, circular reference in debt sizing using cash flow available for debt service, and finally, circular reference in debt sizing. In order to solve for the circular reference problems I mentioned, I have created 6 copy and paste modules. I then created a global copy and paste macro code that runs all the copy and paste code until there's no difference between the calculated lines and the pasted as values lines. When I run the global copy and paste macro, it takes almost 10 to 15 seconds for the macro to run. When I am in a meeting and use the model to run scenarios live with other people, I deactivate the debt sculpting and debt sizing copy and paste macros so that the model runs faster. If, however, I need to run a scenario using debt sizing, then I need to ask my audience to either be patient or tell them that I will do it later and give them the result after the meeting. Also, as you can see here, because of this copy and paste, I cannot use the data table function, which is available in Excel. Instead, if I want to run scenarios and sensitivities, I need to create another module, another VBA code that can run the sensitivities and run the copy and paste codes at the same time. This might take a couple of minutes to run. I also cannot do any goal seek, and I need to create another macro so that I can do any goal seek that I need while running the other copy and paste codes. For me, this is a problem. Also, this is not the most complex model. If I include refinancing, bridge loan, shareholder loan, cash sweep, standby debt, and other calculation blocks, then there will be a need for more copy and paste macros. For every problem, there is a solution. And if you can't find a solution yourself, you should find someone who has found the solution. In this case, when we all were happily pressing our copy and paste buttons, Professor Edward Bodmer back in the early 20s realized that there is a problem and started developing a solution. His solution is to create a user-defined function that can do the calculation in the VBA with a loop, and we use the function in our Excel model. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to insert the UDF parallel model into your own project finance models.